So we're going to replace the panel on an CA085mm. Take the lens out first, take the insert out. And we need to carefully use a blade to pop it out of each of its little bracket holes. Be careful not to damage the location pegs. Slide that out of the way. Slide that like that. Put your thumb on the top, lift the bottom up, lift it over the pegs and slide it upwards, take it out of the slot here. Lift that side of it and rotate it around off the needle. Slide it out of the way. Then we're going to insert the new 180 panel. So we stick it in like that. So slide it half over the needle, like so. Rotate it round. So that it's past the needle, like that. And then the first thing we need to do is insert these two bits here into the tiny slot above the LCD, and then push them down so they go into their slot. Making sure that they align with the two holes. Put a little blade under here, angle that downwards and drop it into place. Rotate around here, check that one's dropped into its slot. That one's into its slot. That one's in its slot. That's the new panel installed. Place that under there. Make sure the O-ring's still in place and refit the lens and screw on a new bezel, or reuse the original depending if you're staying with the same colour. Screwing it backwards just to align it. And screw into place.